How to use templates in Microsoft Word 365. Need to create a resume, flyer, or quick report? Stop starting from scratch. Templates in Word 365 saves time and make your document look professional from the start. Microsoft Word, and then on the screen only you can see the suggestion of recommendation, resume, invoice, paper, report, flyers, and meeting notes and letters. So whichever you want, search for the ones which you are looking for. Suppose I'm looking for my assignment format, which is APA format, APA 7th. So I will simply search for it, and there you have the APA 7th format. So now what you can do is edit the design, edit the format if it's not according to it, and running a headline. Here you can see it's in the format, so I'll just simply change the text and then write it. Tip: save your custom documents as a template so you can reuse them next time in one click.